Hello students, in previous video we have seen operations carried out on fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So these operations which are carried out on fractions we have seen. Now in this video we will see exercise 2.1 of chapter 2, fractions and decimals. So let us start. Our first question is solve, and first one is 2 minus 3 upon 5. Now as you can see, this 2 is whole number and 3 upon 5 is a fraction. So how to subtract? Okay, so first of all, 2 is whole number, there is no denominator, so you can take 2 upon 1. Okay, so 1 you can write in the denominator minus 3 upon 5. Now for doing subtraction, first of all, the denominator should be same. Now see, here it is 5 and here it is 1. If denominators are not same, then you will make it same by taking out LCM. Now whenever we take out LCM of any number with 1, LCM of any number with 1 is very simple. You have to just write 1 into 5 will be 5. LCM of any number with 1 is that number itself. If you don't understand directly, you can also take out LCM here. Okay, so let us start. So 1 ones are 1 and this 5 will be same. Now 5 ones are will be 5 and this 1 as it is. So multiplying these both, so our LCM will be 5 ones are or 1 5s are 5. So any number with 1, okay, the LCM will be the number itself. So LCM of 1 and 5 will be 5. Same way, if suppose here there is 7, so LCM of 1 and 7 will be 7. So now 2 upon 1 and minus 3 upon 5. Our LCM is 5. So here both denominators should be 5. Okay. So 1 how many is 5, that you need to think. This fraction denominator is not 5. So we need to multiply. So 1 5 is a 5. So this we will multiply by 5. Both we will multiply. Whatever you multiply, that should be multiplied with both. Now here 5 is there. So no need to multiply. Or you can write multiply by 1. That will make no difference. Okay. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी डिनोमिनेटर में 5 है, वी हैव 5, सो नो नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई, और यू कैन राइट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. सो नाउ our fraction will become 2 5s will be 10 upon 5 minus 3 1s will be 3 upon 5. Now the denominators are same, 5 and 5. So now we can subtract. So 10 minus 3 will be, see, 10 minus 3 upon 5. And 10 minus 3 will be 7 upon 5. So this is our answer. Okay, so first one is over. You will write upon 1. Only 2 is given, whole number. So denominator is not there. So you will take upon 1. And then you will do it like this. Okay. Now LCM of any number with 1 is that number. So 1 5 is 5. So directly also you can take, or you can do by this step also. Now second sum is 4 plus 2 upon 8. Now second one is also of same format. You just need to take upon 1 and then again 1 and 8 LCM will be 8. Okay, 1 and 8 LCM will be 8. So here 8 is already there. This part, this fraction you will multiply with 8 because we want 8 in the denominator. So 1 8s will be 8 and here 8 4s will be 32. This part will change, 32. Okay, so this one, second one, you will try yourself because it is same as first one. Okay, now moving ahead with third question. This is our third question. 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Now the denominators are given and both are different. So how to do this? So here we will take out LCM of 5 and 7. Denominators पहले same आपको बनाना है. You will have to make the denominators same. So 5 and 7. Take out LCM. So 5 1s is 5 and 7 we will keep as it is. Now 7 1s is 7 and this one will be as it is. Now our LCM will be 5 into 7. We will multiply this both. So 5 7s will be 35. So this is our LCM. Now this answer 35 should be there in the denominators of both. Okay, so let us start. Our first fraction is 3 upon 5. Now you know that we need to multiply this fraction with some number to make it 35, to make the denominator 35. So leave some space Write here 2 upon 7. Okay. Now first fraction is 3 upon 5. Our LCM is 35. So you need to think that 5 how many za will give you 35. So 5 को किससे multiply करेंगे तो आपको 35 मिलेगा. So you need to speak out the table of 5 and check out that 5 how many za is 35. So we know that 5 sevens is 35. So this fraction we will multiply by 7. So we are doing multiply by 7. Now again whatever you multiply that should be multiplied with numerator also both. Okay, now coming to next fraction. Next is 2 upon 7. Now 7 is there. So this also we will make 35. How we will make 35? Again check out the table of 7. 7 how many is 35? So you need to check out the table of 7. So 7 5 is 35. We know the table of 7. 7 5 is 35. So this fraction we will multiply by 5. Okay, so first fraction we have multiplied with 7 and second fraction we have multiplied with 5. So here 5 sevens are 35. Here also 7 5s are 35. So denominators now it will become same. Now next step, 3 sevens are will be 21 upon 35 plus 2 5s are will be 10 upon 35. So 35 denominator is same. So now we can add. So 21 plus 10 whole upon 35. So if you add this 21 plus 10 will give you how much? You can add last digit with last digit. So 1 plus 0 1 and this first digit with first digit. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 31 upon 35. This is your answer of third one. Now fourth sum is 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. Again denominators are different. So you need to take out LCM. It is of same type but denominators are 11 and 15. Okay, I will show you this fourth sum. I will show you. Okay, so 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. First step is LCM. So we will take LCM of 11 and 15. Okay, so we will start with this 15 because 11 it is odd number. So it will come only in the table of itself. So 3 5s is 15. And this 11 we will keep as it is. Now next step, 5 1s is 5 and this 11 we will keep as it is. Now we will take for 11. So 11 1s is 11 and this will be as it is. Now our LCM will be, we need to multiply these three numbers 3, 5 and 11. So 3 into 5 into 11. This 3 you need to multiply. So you can multiply 11 5s are 55 and 55 3s are. So यहाँ पे check कर लेंगे 55 3s are. So 3 5s are 15, carry up 1, 3 5s are 15 and 1 16. So 165. LCM is 165. So here we got LCM 165. Now first fraction. LCM we got. Now we will start our calculation. First fraction is 9 upon 11 and leave some gap. And second fraction is 4 upon 15. Now here is 11 and here is 15. And what we want in the denominator? We want 165. Now I'll show you one easy trick to find out which number to be multiplied here. What happens? Sometimes our LCM is greater number. Suppose अगर कभी LCM बहुत बड़ा आ रहा है, आपका ज़्यादा आ रहा है, बड़ा नंबर आ रहा है, तो easily आप कैसे find out करेंगे कि 11 how many za is 165. Now orally some students may not know that 11 how many za is 165. So you may face difficulty. So there is one shortcut for that and that shortcut is, see, it is 9 upon 11. What you need to see is, see this 3 5 and 11. Now in this fraction we have 9 upon 11. So 11 is already there in the denominator. 11 denominator में already है. So out of 3 5 and 15 you need to remove this 11. So I am hiding this 11. Now what is left? 3 and 5. So 3 5s will be 15. So I will write here 15. So 11 15s is 165. This is shortcut way. Easily you can find out with the help of these factors. Okay. Now if you multiply, it will definitely come 165. Now next is 4 upon 15. Again 15 how many is 165. So some students may not be knowing the table of 15. That 15 how many is 165. So what you will do, again going back to these factors, see in the denominator we have 15. So 15 already है, तो 15 हमको नहीं लेना है. Okay. So here 3, 5 and 15. So 15 we have. So 3 5 is 15. So this both we need to remove. So you need to hide this both. 3 and 5 because 3 5 are 15 and 15 already there in denominator. So we need to hide this. Now what is left? 11 is left. So this fraction we will multiply by 11. So you can check 15 into 11 will be 165. So this is easiest way to find out what you should multiply over here. With the help of this you can find out. 11 already है तो 11 के except 11 के अलावा जो भी बचा है except 11 3 5 15 तो 15 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो और यहाँ पे 15 है तो 3 5 15 15 के अलावा अदर देन दैट 15 के अलावा व्हाट इज लेफ्ट 11 सो यहाँ पे 11 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो दिस इज इजीएस्ट वे नाउ we will proceed ahead. So 9 into 15, okay, 9 15 or 15 nines are, if you don't know table you can multiply here, okay, 9 5s are 45, carry up 4, 9 1s are 9 and 4 13, so 135 upon 165 minus here 4 11s are 44 upon 165. Now see 165 denominator is same and subtraction, so we need to subtract. So 135 minus 44 will be how much? Let us write over here. So 5 minus 4 will be 1 and 13 minus 4 will be 9. So 91 upon 165. So this will be our answer of fourth one. Hope you understood when the denominator or the LCM is greater, then how to take out and how to find out the number with what we will multiply. So this was our fourth sum. So third and fourth sum are over. Now moving ahead to fifth sum. Let us move ahead to fifth sum. So fifth one is 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2. Okay. Now here there are three fractions, 7 upon 10, 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 2. So there are three fractions. So we need to take out LCM of these three denominators. So write down 10, 5 and 2. So 10, 5 and 2. These three denominators, all three we will make same and then we will add up all the three. Okay, we will add up all the three. So three denominators, we have to write it here together and we have to take out LCM. So 10, 5 and 2. So 10 and 2 are coming in the table of 2. Yes. So we will start with 2. So 2 5s are 10. This 5 will be as it is and 2 1s are 2. So this is done. Next step 5 is there, so we will take table of 5. So 5 1s are, here also 5 1s are and this one will be same. Okay, now LCM 1 1 1 came, so now no need to do. Now 2 5s are, what is 2 5s are? 10. So 2 5s are 10. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 10. So 10 should be the denominators of all these three fractions. Okay, now let us start. Our first fraction is 7 upon 10. Okay, leave some space. We will not show separately. In one line only we will show. So 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5. Leave some space over here. Plus 3 upon 2. Okay, now our LCM is 10. So here should be 10, here should be 10 and here should be 10. Here already 10 is there. In first fraction 7 upon 10, 10 is already there. So here no need to multiply. But you can write into 1. If you are confused, you can write into 1, or if you don't write anything over here, then also it is correct because 10 we want and 10 is there. Now second fraction 2 upon 5. So 5 how many is 10, that you need to think. 5 how many is 10? 5 2s are. So this fraction we will multiply both numerator and denominator. Both we will multiply by 2. Now third fraction is 3 upon 2. So 2 how many is 10, that you need to think. So 2 5s are 10. So here we will multiply by 5. Okay, so first one into 1 we have done, second one into 2 and third one into 5. So 10 1s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, so denominators are same. Now first one 7 1s are 7 plus second one 2 2s are 4 plus 3 5s are 15 and here also 10 10 and 10. Denominators are same, so I am writing all together as 10 because all are now same denominators. So now we can add up. So let us add up. 7 plus 4 is 11 and what is 11 plus 15? 11 plus 15 will be 5 and 1 6 and this 2. So 26 upon 10 is your answer of addition of fraction. Now if you want, here cancellation is possible. 26 and 10 both are even numbers, both are coming in the table of 2, so cancellation is possible. So you can do cancellation, reduce form. You can do 2 5s are, and here 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6, so 2 13s are is 26. This is 2 1s and this is 2 3s are 6, so 13 upon 5 is your final answer. Okay, if you don't reduce, then also 26 upon 10 is correct, but sometimes it may happen that you may lose marks because of this last step. So if this reduction is possible, cancellation is possible, then you have to reduce the fraction. Cancellation अगर possible है तो आपको करना है. So 13 upon 5 is your answer of fifth one. Now let us go to next sum, that is sixth one. So sixth one question is 2 integer 2 upon 3 plus 3 integer 1 upon 2. This is our sixth question. 2 integer 2 upon 3 plus 3 integer 1 upon 2. Now as you can see, both are mixed fraction. Here this is also mixed fraction and this is also mixed fraction. So first of all, mixed fraction we need to convert to improper fraction, that we have seen how to convert in first video. We have seen how to convert. So let us start. 3 2s are, 3 2s are will be 6 and 6 plus 2. This we will multiply and whatever answer will come in that we will add this. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2, so 8. So 8 upon 3. This is converted. Now next. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. This is also converted. Now we will solve it as we are doing. Okay, so whenever mixed fraction is given, see these both are mixed fraction. No need to worry. You just convert it this way. So it will be 8 upon 3 plus 7 upon 2. And now take LCM of 3 and 2. And as we have done in previous sum, same way you can do. Now take out LCM of 3 and 2. So LCM of 3 and 2, if we will take out 2 1s are, and this 3 will be as it is. Next step, 3 1s are, and this 1 will be as it is. So multiplying these both, so our LCM will be 2 3s are 6. So this will be our LCM. Now we want 6 over here and 6 over here. So 8 upon 3 plus 7 upon 2. These are our fractions. Now you need to think that 3 how many are will give you 6. So 2s are. So this fraction we are multiplying by 2. Same way, 2 how many are will give you 6? 3s are. So this we will multiply by 3. So here 8 2s are will be 16 plus here 7 3s are will be 21, and this is 3 2s are 6. This is also 3 2s are 6. So denominators are same. So we have to write it only one time, whole upon 6. Now add up 16 plus 21. So 16 plus 21 will be how much? 6 plus 1 will be 7 and 1 plus 2 will be 3. So 37 upon 6. This is our answer of sixth one. Now here cancellation is not possible because 37 is odd number and 6 is even number. Odd and even number, they can never come in the same table. So 37 and 6 they will never come in the same table. दोनों सेम टेबल में नहीं आएगा क्योंकि एक ऑड नंबर है और दूसरा इवन नंबर है, तो इसका कैंसिलेशन रिड्यूस फॉर्म इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दिस कैंसिलेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो यू नीड टू स्टॉप ओवर हियर. दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर 37 upon 6. So if mixed fraction is given, you need to first convert it this way and then the procedure is same. LCM and making denominator same and then adding. So I hope sixth one is clear to you. Now seventh one is seventh one we have done. This was sixth one. Now last one is seventh one, that is 8 integer 1 upon 2 minus 3 integer 5 upon 8. This is our seventh one. Now seventh one is again same as sixth one. Okay, you need to again convert this. इसको कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे पहले. 2 8 जा 16 प्लस 1, सो ये हो जाएगा 17 upon 2 minus 8 3 जा 24 and 24 plus 5 will be how much? 24 and 5 will be 29 upon 8. Then next step we will take out LCM of 2 and 8. LCM of 2 and 8 we will take. So 2 and 8 का LCM आप निकाल लेंगे. So 2 1 जा and 2 4 जा. Same way 2 2 जा 4 and this one will be same. then 2 1s are 2 and this 1 will be same, multiply this 3, so our LCM will be 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8, so our LCM will be 8. So what should be the denominator? It should be 8. So first fraction is 17 upon 2. First fraction is 17 upon 2. So 17 upon 2 है already. So 2 how many za is 8? 2 4 za. So first fraction 4 से multiply करेंगे. Second fraction 29 upon 8. 8 is already there. So no need to multiply. Okay. Or you can write into 1. So 17 4 za is how much? That you need to multiply. Minus 29 1 za is that you know 29. So that you need to multiply. And then whole upon 8. Okay. And then whole upon 8. Now whatever answer you get over here and whatever answer you get over here, that you need to minus and that will be your last answer. So 7th one you people will try yourself. Almost steps I have shown. Okay, so here our question 1 of exercise 2.1 is over.